Hey guys, we're out here at Brush Arbor here near McDonough, and hey, come check out this property tour that we are just about to do. I'm out here with some fellow agents checking out this new construction. These are craftsman-style homes. Let's check them out. All right, y'all, we are in Brush Arbor. Check that out. All right, we're going to go into this blue house. Let's check this puppy out. We walk in, there's a half bath right here. Ooh, look at that. We're going upstairs now, y'all. Check out this. Oh, look at this. This is a huge bedroom up here.
Look at that closet.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at that closet. Check that out. Has a loft area up here. Nice. Okay, laundry room is down here. And master on the main. Oh, look at this closet, y'all. It's a massive walk-in closet. And his and her sink. Beautifully done. Bathroom. Full. Check out that backyard, y'all. And this back porch is the bomb right here. Check that out. Covered. And check out the detail on that ceiling on the back porch. That is pretty cool. Checking out the second home over here. This is another craftsman-style home. That conference here is much bigger, looks like. Oh, this is a massive. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Much larger living room space. This is office. I like this. This is cute. All right, let's go upstairs. The laundry room. What is this? The master? Oh Lord Jesus! The closet. Hold on. What? What? What in the world is this? We're gonna go check out the unfinished basement. A full-blown basement. Yeah, this is nice with the deck. And we got this deck thing going on here. It's a nice sized deck. Check out the neighborhood. Which one do you want? Hey there guys, I am super excited. I'm out here at this brand new construction not far from the square in McDonough, Arbor Place. Listen, these craftsman homes are absolutely gorgeous. The model that I'm standing in right now, it comes on a basement and it's spacious, y'all. It has office space. It has the largest pantry I have ever seen. It's a walk-in pantry that you can customize to meet your needs. Listen, if you're looking for a semi-custom home, craftsman home here in McDonough, you have found your next property. You don't want to buy new construction without having proper representation. I'm Natasha Ewing-Johnson, your real estate strategist, finding you solutions to win in real estate. And I want you to get your next home. Is it new construction or resale? Let me help you today.